My name is Jack Lorino. I'm the owner of Apple Locksmith. I started the business in 1986 with my cousin, Russell, and we've been in business for over 32 years. My cousin moved to Florida about 15 years ago, so it's been just me for about the last 17, and I just took on a partner, Scott, who's gonna be, we're gonna be partners for hopefully the next 32 years. The overall goal would be to provide excellent customer service, supply quality products. I always, believe in giving people good service that keeps them coming back, and the business grows due to referrals.